The Aepyornis, a massive bird, could reach heights of up to 3 meters, weighing 500 kg. Its enormous legs and giant eggs amazed any predators that dared to enter its territory. Overhunting and habitat destruction led to its extinction, likely occurring in the 17th century. Some believe that these colossal birds may still roam in isolated areas of Madagascar. Explorers have often searched for signs of the Aepyornis in Madagascar's forgotten corners. Legends passed down through generations describe encounters with the great elephant bird. Scientists debate whether this magnificent creature could have survived in hidden valleys, extinct or not. Share your theories in the comments and follow for more mysteries to uncover.